All right, our last mini tutorial. Again, to be able to get the best dotFIT products that are not sold in stores, not sold on Amazon, only through dotFIT licensed facilities, because remember, everything third-party tested, only based on third-party research. All we have to do again is if we went through our recommendation, we have that ability that we looked at with the summary overview with that button, but we can also go straight up to our store button. And let's go ahead and we'll click on store, Frankie, as you did. And you're gonna see the different categories again that we have available for you. From weight loss, performance, health, nutrition. We have a full line that's NSF certified for sport, the same third-party test that the NFL, Major League Baseball, NBA, and others use, as well as unflavored and one of the hottest ones today, we have a full vegan line as well. Never mind some of our other accessories along with gluten-free. So again, you have the ability to go ahead and add anything you want to your cart. We have a bunch of different free shipping options. You can change anytime you want. Everything shipped right to your house on a monthly basis, so you're never worried about running out.